If the jammed paper tears and you cannot remove the paper either from the paper output slot or the feed slot, or if the jammed paper remains inside the printer, remove the paper following the instructions below. If paper becomes jammed during printing and you need to turn off the printer to remove it, press the printer's stop button to stop the printing before you turn off the printer. Turn off the printer and unplug it. Retract paper output tray and open cover. Follow the on-video instructions. 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 Close cover. Plug in the printer again and turn it back on. All jobs in the print queue are cancelled. Redo the printing.